Hello everybody, welcome back. In this video we are going to export our character robot for Unity game engine. So let's start. How we can export it? It's very simple. We can go to file and we can go to export, and we have several methods of exporting this file as a DAE, ABC, SVG, PDF, THV, PLY, STL, and FBX, OBJ, etc. So for Unity it's always better to export it as a FBX file, and we can click on FBX file, and then you can see we have certain options here. So the very important option is this patch mode, path mode. So we have to select copy here, and then we will click on this icon. Okay, after selecting the copy and clicking on this option, we have certain more options here. So we will select the mesh and we will select the armature with shift, because we need mesh only, and we need armatures as well because we need a rig to be exported. We don't need camera, lamp, empty objects, so we just uncheck that objects, and now we will just go to transform. Here we have scale 1, which is good. Apply settings are local, minus G forward, Y up, that is everything is fine, but we will enable this option of apply transforms for the Unity. After this setting, we will just save our file to our desired place, and we will click on export FBX, and it will start exporting our FBX file, and that's it. Now in next video we will learn that how we can import this robot to the Unity. One more important thing is that you can create animations like idle, fight, run, walk, etc. inside Blender as well, and for that purpose you can just go to this animation tab. You can right click here and you can start inserting frames, insert keyframe, and then you can go to some other frame and give a motion to your character, and it's also possible with the Blender. Also you can find some Blender animations which from Google, and you can import that animations to your Blender, and then you can apply that animations to this rig. So these are the two options, and the third and easy method is to get your animations for Mixamo, and then you can apply that animations in Unity on our character, because our character is already rigged, and now we can use any type of animations from Unity or Mixamo or any other place. So that's it for this video. In next video we will learn about Unity, and we will learn how we can import our robot in Unity.